Hi everyone, I've got an absolutely fantastic opportunity here today on Light Oaks Road in Salford to show you this fantastic family home coming to the market chain free. It's a 3-bedroom extended property. We've got off-road parking for multiple cars to the front, porch, entrance hallway, and then to the right we have this fantastic modern shower room which has been added in recent years. Just to the right hand side, and then back through the hallway we have this very spacious family lounge. Really great entertaining space, perfect for the family. This comes through to our extended separate reception room. This could be used as a dining area or a playroom. And then coming to the fantastic low maintenance rear garden. You can see here we've got an absolutely fantastic space, not overlooked, nice and private, high fencing. We can also see the level of extension here. We've got a double storey extension, single storey to the rear, and also a single storey to the side. This houses the fitted kitchen and the downstairs shower room, which we've just seen. You can see we've got plenty of grass, all lush lawn. And then we've got a seated area here, mature plants around the border. And again, we've got the off-road parking to the front and side access as well. So coming through to the side of the property, this is what is completing the ground floor. We've got a spacious kitchen diner here. Lux window there, as you can see, this is the side extension, bay fronted to the rear, and plenty of space in here if you wanted to open it up. And then coming back through this door into the hallway and up the stairs, you've got 3 very generous sized double bedrooms and a 3-piece bathroom suite. Now the loft is also fully boarded and is the whole footprint of the property, so there's ample storage space up there. 2 of the bedrooms benefit from fitted wardrobes. We've got a lovely bay fronted window here, bringing in lots of natural light. Now the property is positioned in a fantastic area in Salford, within walking distance to some fantastic schools, which will be within catchment area to those as well. Lots of local parks, amenities and transport links on your doorstep, which is really great as well, as coming to the market chain free. So as you can see, we've got the fitted wardrobes in there, another double bedroom, and this is our 3rd bedroom. Now this has been extended, as you can see here, extended to the rear. We've got an absolutely beautiful view of the garden there, all been very well maintained by the current owner, and the property has been in the family for a number of years, so it would definitely make a perfect first time buy or a lovely family home. Completing the space on the first floor here, we've got a 3-piece bathroom suite. Now the property is ideal for people who are looking to put their own stamp on a property and to be situated in a very convenient location as well. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please call our office on 061 707 4900.